everyone. Today we are going to discuss the difference between that and which. These words are not same, so let's understand their difference today. The word that is used in defining clauses. Now you will ask, what is defining clause? Okay, so defining clause contains information which is essential to the meaning of any sentence. Without this, meaning of the sentence will change. For example, my shirt that is pink in color is missing. My shirt that is pink in color is missing. This statement means I have many shirts. Out of those many shirts, my particular pink color shirt is missing. Okay, let's take one more example. The movie that you watched last night is my favorite. That you watched? Okay. Now, as the defining clause is so important, it is also known as essential clause. So, the word that is used in defining or essential clauses. Now, let's go to the word which. The word which is used in non-defining clauses. These are also known as non-essential clauses. Here, if you will remove the clause, the meaning of sentence will not change. For example, let's go to our previous example. My shirt, which is pink in color, is missing. Now here, it means I have only one shirt and that is missing. So whether I add which is pink in color, whether I add this clause or not, it won't make any difference. If I'll say my shirt is missing, it will mean the same. Okay, so this clause will not make any difference to the meaning of statement or the sentence. Let's take one more example. This book, which has beautiful pictures, is my son's favorite. If I'll normally say this book is my son's favorite, then also it will mean the same. I hope you have understood the difference. There is one more difference. Look at my screen once again. This sentence does not have any punctuation mark apart from full stop. I am not using any comma here. Whereas the sentence I framed using the word which has commas. So it is essential to use comma when you are using the word which. Whereas in case of that, it is not essential. I hope you have understood the difference between these two words. If you have any query, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. This is Anushree signing off.